I want to show you guys what I am building with sub-agents and agents and make it really easy for you guys to understand. As you guys can see, I'm creating the Chasing Experiences app, right? So this is like literally on my phone, and it's literally a browser. So here you can see these are shortcuts. This is how I'm doing it. So I've got the Chasing app, I've got the Chasing inbox. So this is the app Safari, okay? And so there's a bunch of features that I'm gonna change up, right? Like souvenirs, there's stuff in here. There's the profile, and there's things that I literally want to edit for this, and this is moving, okay? So what I have is this Kanban board, again, created with Claude Code and Codex sometimes when it's getting stuck. And what I'm doing is there's this menu option, and so this is like my Kanban board. And in the background, there is Obsidian, which is Markdown, right? And it writes to the Obsidian Markdown file with IDs. So for example, in the Experiences tab, right? I've got all of these different like statuses. It looks like Jira or even Asana, but it has codes in here. So what my plan is, and this is how I'm going to make changes, right? So let's say I'm in Experiences and I go in and I'm like, hey, I don't like the color, right? So what I'll do is I'll click on add and just say, don't like color. And later on, whenever I'm like actually at the computer and I can put all the details down, what I can do is click on it, put the acceptance criteria in here, put a bunch of screenshots, and then anything that's marked as agent ready, agent commit, or agent discard, what will happen is once I save it, there will be a webhook. Again, this is a new term for me too, a webhook that then goes ahead and tells the agent, I have Claude Code like up in like Terminal or Ghosty, and it'll fire to my terminal that's open and start coding it. And when it's done coding, what it does is it moves it to like to validate. And so I'll go in here and open this little icon right here for the branch URL, hit open branch URL, and then validate it. So if I hit open branch, I could copy and paste that branch and then validate the app. Okay, and once that branch is validated, then what I do is go in and then hit complete. If I don't like it, I do agent discard, and it discards that branch and deletes all the files that are needed and the work trees. And then blocked means that the agent ran into something and I have to go check it. But overall, this is what my board looks like, and it maps out. If you look at it, the app features, it maps out to all the different sections. So these are all sub agents. And what I did was in Claude Code, in here, I literally asked it to go build it. Like I talked to my phone and said all this stuff, and it built these agents and sub agents for me. I copied and pasted, guys. That's all I did. So anyway, hopefully that gives you an idea of how you could use sub agents. I didn't use agent teams. I used sub agents.